Now that we have a base for the structure that we're building, we need to start adding the uprights. Now you really need to think ahead for this, and if you'll notice, the start is with a very clean work surface, and all of the materials are here and nothing else is here, so that I know what I'm working with. I've pre-cut the uprights for the project, and I've also pre-cut the piece that I intend to put across. So for the uprights, notice that I'm using a different kind of gusset. 2 different types are given in the kit. I've taken the square, cut it into quarters, and I'm using a larger gusset for my corner, and I've placed the gusset in the corner and glued it before I put the upright in. Now I have the upright. I'm going to take that leg of my cube, put some glue on it, plus some glue on the sides that are in contact with the gusset, and put it in place. Now there is a tricky thing to keeping these uprights in place. This is only one method, and perhaps not the preferred method of doing this, for the following reason. Once you have your uprights in place, it's difficult to line up the final piece. So here we are gluing our second gusset, and then we'll try to get the top component on our structure. We put our gusset in place. Again, it's a blue gusset that's twice the size of the yellow. We're putting our upright, gluing the sides so that they're in contact with the gusset. And now we have to get that top component on. Now that we have our uprights, we take our whole structure and place it on its side so that we can add to the top component. Now notice this is not the same size as the sides of our base. These have to fit in between the uprights. And I'm also using the blue gussets, loading them with glue, and placing them on the edges so that they support the upright and the top of the structure. There we go. And we will wait for this component after these 2 are dry.